Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and today we're gonna continue working on a Ferrari. Now the Ferrari is home for I think 3 weeks now, a long time. And to be honest, we didn't do as much as I thought I would do. We got the rear window in, drama, we got the logos back on and we got it clean. But that's it. So we're gonna have to pick up pace if we want to have this car in the shop. And February next year, so 2022, because then the engine is coming in and we have to prepare her to get her back on the road and do some road trips with it. So today what we're gonna do, we are going to install the side windows. Got them all cleaned up in a box here in front of me. But before we start, I want to show you this because there's a reason why I got distracted. And the reason it is that we got another invitation, where we at? Ta-da! From Ferrari to take a closer look at the 296 GTB. And man, I can tell you, what a machine. Another perfect specimen of Ferrari, and one that is designed basically to match my wishes because it's a go-kart feeling. Sound is okay, yeah, I know V6, but overall package is very good, very similar to the 308, related to the 250 Le Mans, one of my favorite current Ferraris. Well, I have to put the 812 GTS, of course, is my favorite at this moment, but this is a clear second. I love it. Thank you Ferrari Munster House for inviting me, having a show. Here's a picture for you guys. I didn't film anything because I don't think that was allowed. But maybe someday I can do a how do you call it, review with the 296 GTB, or maybe GTB suggests GTS. That will be perfect. So big shout out to Ferrari for showing these cars to us, the fans, and we really appreciate it. Now when we started with the rear window, the internet was full of, well, put a wire on it and you get it in just in 15 minutes or something. Well, the reality was, whatever we tried, for us it didn't work. I guess you're always, oh sorry, I found some tape. Yes, you're always limited by the car, your experience maybe. I guess the last one is most important because I've never done this before. But for us, the wire technique just didn't work out for the rear window, and it was so frustrating. But we are getting another chance because this one needs to fit in here, and I'm gonna try again the wire technique. Not perfect, but this was a lot quicker than the rear window, don't you think so? So all I have to do now is, I think this one, but I'm gonna have to check the photographs. Yeah, I think it's better if this one is like in here. Kind of difficult. But I'm amazed that it worked. So next step is a tricky one. We're gonna tape it up first. Let's have a look at how did we do that one. Yeah. Okay. It's been a long time since I've done this. And I can't seem to remember in what position. You can't get the key out in this position, but you need. Okay, well, we're struggling a little bit. Before we start, I want to share with you that the reason why I taped this is because of this thing. This is the part that holds the grill. And well, some dude in the factory once decided that it was a good idea to mount this one. Can you see it? With just a 5.8 screw bolt. But the reality is, when this is in, you can't get any tools around it. So I bought something differently for this one. Oh, alright, wait, sorry. Here we are. I've got lots of bolts and other stuff. But what I bought was just a simple screw. Fits in perfectly, but it makes it so much easier. You can put this one in just with a screwdriver. Well, learn, play, I don't know. But I don't know why and how they did it in the past. But we're gonna do it this way. And don't forget, guys, when you build something in, I have to get it because I forget it. I'm forgetting it also. Use a little bit of, how do you call it, grease to get the bolt in. Otherwise, the bolt's gonna rust and in the future we'll have problems putting it out again. So don't use too much grease because you don't want to lose the stuff, but just make it a little bit easier. Well, like always, it looked easier probably than it was, but the grill is in, looks fantastic. One problem is that the rubber thingy that should hold the thing in place is gone, is missing. Can't find it in the box, and it should be in the box because the box came with these parts. Probably lost during painting or something. We're gonna find something for it because this is not what you want. And also the screws, the idea was good, but it just didn't fit like I wanted it to. And to be honest, I'm still not very happy. It's a little bit lower, a little bit of adjustment, but I'm gonna find the rubber first. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna snap my finger because I am a wizard and I can do that. And when I snap my finger, the driver's side is done. And then we can see what we have to change on this side to make it good or not. Yeah, let's do it. Oh my god, guys, you thought last week was bad. This is so f***ed up. Sorry about my... I can cry. Literally, I can cry. What happened to me? This hinge jumped from me. Like, it snapped my finger. And I don't care if it hurts. But what happened while it snapped, my finger got caught up. I screamed. And the thing fell down. And where is it? Yes, it chipped the paint. 3 jobs down. I already did 2 damages on the car. Really f***ed up. I'm starting to think that I can't do this. I guess I'm just not good enough. This is not fun. This is not fun at all. I took the window out because I just couldn't get who in the freaking mind ever think it was a good idea to put a screw or a bolt in such a tight place. And you just can't put this one in. It's just impossible. You can't do this. And now my freaking car is damaged. Poor baby. This is so bad, guys. I really don't know what to do right now. Does that mean that the whole car needs to be painted? I hope not. Because a scratch, yeah, it's okay, but... Time to quit. Well, we overcome the first shock. I'm really pissed off, especially at myself. But I'm gonna show you. Somehow, I took a deep breath. I thought, well, I damaged it anyway. So let's get that thing in and let's see what happens. Man, this is so... This is going to be expensive, of course. Yeah. But, well, this is the little thing that snapped. And look at this. When you get your fingers in here, it really hurts, trust me. But this thing is so tight, and look at the space. Oh, god damn it. Wait, guys. I'm just trying to take you on this journey, no matter how stupid I am and how bad things go. But can you see those screws there? Oh, come on. Yes. And this thing wants to be straight, so... And these screws are like this. You just can't get them in without any help. It's just like... Man. Just like I said, it's like... Man! Oh, guys, I'm so stupid. How can I call myself? You're probably laughing at me right now. But this is so stupid. Even though I'm fed up right now. Again, I'm gonna put that thing in right now. I'm not gonna quit until I've done it. I've already damaged it, so I can't do anything wrong right now anymore. But I want to show you how it should be. Yeah, well, it's not supposed to be like this. And we only just started, guys. Oh my god, what have I done? So, call 911 555 607 if you want to donate, because I really need some money after this, because it will need a respray when we finish. Oh my god, guys, just when you think it can't get worse, it can. Somehow I finally got this one in, huh? That you saw that. What? It doesn't close. That's okay, maybe adjustment or something. But then I come to this side and I open it up and it's now stuck in this position. Left and right are not the same. And I fear that I've damaged the black. So damage number 3. This is going insanely wrong. And what I think, what might cause the problem is that the hinge I used on this side is exactly the same as the other one, but somehow there's still a difference. And I think that possibly when I put this one on that side and that one on this side, I might not have this problem. But the damage is already done. It's too late. This is so bad. I really don't know what to do right now. I should go, I just go quit and go to bed, but I think that I will never be able to sleep now. I can only pound myself in the head. This is, So the series is turning out to be, how do I destroy a Ferrari? I guess that's it. How do I destroy a Ferrari? Come on, man. Look at this beauty. And now she's like flying. It's like a bug. I don't know, who cares? You know what? Yeah. Ciao.